Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be getting into the sign rotation effect. And we're going to start off with this drone clip right here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to click on the clip and we're gonna press Option and drag up to duplicate the clip. And we want to start the effect about right here. So I'm gonna cut that right there. Cut this right here. And then we're going to hold this clip right here. I'm gonna break it about right here. Now what we want to do is go to our effects tab and go to the mask. And we're gonna add the draw mask to this top clip. And we are just going to mask this Bank of America Stadium sign right here. Okay, when you're done with that, you are now going to add keyframes. So you're gonna start at the beginning of the clip, add keyframes to the transforms. And control points. Then you're gonna click on the top clip. You're gonna go to transform again. And you want to move the anchor point. You see how it's facing the middle right here? You wanna move the anchor point of the sign right in the center of it. So I'm gonna move it to the left. We want the mask clip to be in the center of this gray circle right here. So move it all the way up, right about there. And then after you're done with that, you're gonna drag with the transform and put it right back in the middle. After you're done with that, okay, so after that, you're gonna add a keyframe right here. So you're gonna go 0. And you're gonna go about 7 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to -360. Let's check this out. Alright, it's okay. It looks okay right now. We want to make it look more realistic. So after we get the rotation, we want to break this clip. And you want to break the clip right when the rotation effect stops. And we want to add motion blur to this as well. So I'm going to go to the effects tab and blur, and we're going to go to directional and add motion blur. It's at about 25 right now, so that's pretty good. So let's see how this looks now. That looks much better. It's nice right there. So that right there is the sign rotation effect. And I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have any questions, comment below. If this helped you, please like the video and consider subscribing. I will be dropping more tutorial videos, so it is important for you guys to comment and engage with me and let me know what videos you want to see. All right, thank you guys. Have a great day.